Emakhosini bokubona bomkhulu, welcome back ku-channel yami lwami ubizo with Okoko Patricia. So now I'm taking you step by step, journey to journey, yabo kancane kancane. So there was a particular time and point in my life where guys, mina ngangihlala nginama enemy engawazi ukuthi ngiwathatha phi yazi. When I got to high school, there was this one girl, right? A lot of them, but this particular one, igama lakhe kwakufikile. Bebambiza ukuthi uSister Vandal. Those who know me probably they'll comment, but I don't know if there's people that went to school with me probably are following me, but if you are, you can comment. Ugeli mina ngangihlakaniphile vele. So wayengangifuni man, kwakunalento le naye engangifuni. And makafika esikolweni sethu, she was new and she was from another school, Ezola. I don't know if she was from Lavela or somewhere, but those other, but where's esikolweni sethu. And when she got to our school, ugeli angangizondi to a point ukuthi one day wathi kimi, yabona wena ngiyokwaza mina nganginebhadi abantu abathi bazongikwaza Idlozi will make enemies for you. Wathi ngizokwaza, hayi lilalanga ngabona ngathi yabona lo sengimeke kakhulu and uzohlezi angibhulisha every day. So this ends today. This ends. Ngibeka full stop. Ngoba uzocanga ukuthi ngiyamsaba. And manje ngaleso sikhathi akusakhulumi mina, sekukhuluma lamakhehla aphuma kimi. Ngibona ukuthi yabona lo mangambamba, hayi girl, ngamshaya. Angazi ngangisithatha phile sesibindi. Because with me bengithulile. I was bubbly. I was bengumntana right, but once ongihlokoloza and put me ekhoneni egigiye bekuvumbuka enye into nami ngimangale after ukuthi was it me. That's when I realized ukuthi umuntu nomuntu ophila emhlabeni ophila phansi kumthunzi elanga, there is some sort of darkness in you. Umuntu unobuhle unobubi. Put in a situation la ungayenza into embi khona ungayenza and come out and be like, was it me? You know, out of anger uyenze something usole. You know, there's good and there's evil phakathi komuntu. You choose which one. If you decide to keep quiet, that means you're following the good. But anyway, now this day I was like, never. Ugeli uyongazi kahle. Ngavele ngasukuma ngathi mamelala geli, mamelala sengikhathele wena, sendikhathele uwe. Mangabe ufuna mina nawe sishayane, mina ngakushaya ngikuhliphize mntombazane, ngingakushaya futhi angikusabi. Ngathi mina nawe masishayane, weapons down. Ngithi yena of Sister Vandal hamba ngumesi wayeneyika ezingakanani futhi bekabuya ejele. I remember makafika esikoleni sethu bekabuya ejele. Apparently washaya umuntu wamkhiphile ihlo. I don't know what happened, but anyways ngalela langa bebamsaba bonke esikolweni naseklasini. Ngathi yabona lo, uyabona lo, namhlanje makukuthi ngiyafa ngizofa kodwa angeke. Ngathi mamela, mina nawe sifaka amaphenti, mina nginamesi ene umese wamagwala. Wena kushutha ushaya uthembele umesi, ngizobe ngingasabi wena, ngizobe ngisaba umese wena ngokusabi. Ngathi weapons down, bekumese phansi, mina nawe masishaya nentombazane to ntombazane, phenti to phenti. Ayi ngiyakutshela girl, ayi ngiyakutshela. Hey, eklasini bathuka bonke abantu, ekubona wonke umuntu wasukuma bayenza isekelo, kwaba mahliphi nje, kwaba mahliphi. Wathi kimi, hey wena ngazongitshela. Ngathi mamela, awuyekele ukubhala le Bible leli sesilifundile sesikhathele yilo masishayine wathi hayi after school it's after school ngathi mamela after school ngimoshe angithi ngiyazizwa ukuthi makangafika after school uyofika sengena energy uyofika sengikhule down uyofika sengikhohliwe so while I'm still fuming mayenzeke manje ngithi mamela ungimoshela isikhathi wena mina nawe mashayine manje mangabe siyaxoshwa wathi no angithi wena uyazi ukuthi la esikolweni you are the trusted wena la esikolweni uyathandwa wena la esikolweni so uthisha makangangena vele bazothi wrong ngithi mamela ngizovuma mina ukuthi yimi ngisusile ngivumile ngathi masishayane umbona ugeli waxhaxhazela ungibona ukuthi yabona la mangambamba uJesu wanginceda nje wanginceda uNkulunkulu wanginceda le ntombazane yavele yatatazela intombazane yathi hayi yazini yangiyeka nami ngamiyeka but ever since that day wangihlonipha linking this to my spiritual journey I had several dreams ngiziphuphe khona enye intombazane yasesontweni ngaphupha sisesontweni but yeah kunabantu kunezitulo angazi wathini ki ngajamba ngathi mamela ngathi ngizokushaya le ndawo le izobanqane futhi nasobabili sethu kungena abantu nje sibakhiphe bonke kodwa izobanqane ngeke sinele and I remember ngangikhuluma nomunye umkhulu ngimcocela ngihleka lephupha bo wathi kimi yabona ya wena vele ngempela unamakhehla yabona amakhehla abompi yakhe and now thing is they are inside my body. I'm a female. You don't understand, Amara? I'm a female, but ulaga ulphuma laphaya. Oh, Jehovah. Hey. That's why most of the time I prefer not to answer. Especially mangibona ukuthi le mangayiphendula lo muntu angasuke angiphendule kanje bese ngiphinde ngimphendule kanje bese ngeke iphelele ndawo so rather ngithule kuthiwa khabubari akhalwa khabotleva kuyakhala kwesinye isikhathi kuyasiza ukuthi ububari but now I'm trying to say all these things to link people ukuthi ukhuluna ulaka uthanda impi and now ulazi lolu laka you've got this anger in you idlozi layidala leyo nto and especially idlozi elingakalungiselwa idlozi elidalela izitha mina ngakhula ngazi ngithembeni khona omunye ngibonile shem hayi yena shem uyathwasisa manje ubusy nje ku Facebook ngiyambona wathwasa sise I think we're in grade 11 makathwa grade 10 makathwasa bamsaba bonke abathembisa izulu athi uzobashaya ngezulu ngangiwani ngingakazi ukuthi nginabantu abadala athi uthi ngithi mamela ngokusabi nezulu lakho mina athi uthi ngithi mamela zama futhi zama mina ungizameke mina bangithulise bathi hayi bathisha wena ngithi ulishaya izulu ngithi mamela nasedeskini lami ufika ubeke umuthi ngiyoganda ngiyothinta futhi akukho kuzoyenzekela kimi mangabe khona ozolimala uwe akusiyimi ukukhanya akaze kwahlula kumnyama and at that time I did not know ukuthi vele mina ngihamba nenhlanzeko I did not know ukuthi umuthi awusebenzi kimina I did not know ukuthi umuntu makangigadla ayifanele azame ezinye indlela fanele shuthi fanele azame ezinye indlela ngoba lezi zabo azisebenzi so but I did not know ukuthi I was spiritually gifted but labantu inside of me deep down I knew ukuthi kukhona lento le man that pushes me and that always makes me to open my mouth even when I don't want to